In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add link buttons on Weebly in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a beginner setting up your first website or a seasoned pro looking to fine-tune your digital presence, this guide will walk you through each step with ease. So grab your favorite beverage, settle in, and let's get started. First things first, head over to the Weebly website. Open your web browser and enter the URL for Weebly's free website builder. Once you've reached the main page, it's time to log into your account. Use your email and password to access your Weebly dashboard. If you're like most people, passwords can be a chore to remember, so feel free to use a password manager to help keep things organized. After logging in, you'll want to navigate to your website's dashboard. This is essentially the control room for your website, where you manage everything from design to functionality. Once you're at the dashboard, look for the option that says Edit Site and click it. This will take you into the editing mode where all the magic happens. Once you're in editing mode, the next step is to find the Build tab. It's generally located on the left-hand side of the screen. Clicking on Build will reveal a selection of elements you can add to your site, such as text boxes, images, and of course buttons. Now locate the button element within the Build tab, drag this element onto the section of your website where you'd like to add a button. Think strategically about where this button will best serve your site visitors. Once the button is in place, you can personalize it. Click on the button text to change it to something meaningful like contact us or learn more, whatever suits your site's need best. With your text in place, the next task is to link the button to the desired page or URL. Click on Link which will offer you several linking options. Choose the one that best suits the function you want the button to serve. Whether it's a page within your site, an external URL, or even a downloadable file, Weebly makes it easy to link it up. If you have a preference, you can also select whether you'd like the link to open in a new tab. This is often a good idea for external links as it keeps your site in front of visitors. Once you're satisfied with your button setup, don't forget to click Publish to make your changes live on the web. And there you have it, you've successfully added a link button on Weebly. Remember, these buttons are not just decorative, they're powerful tools for guiding visitors through your website. Feel free to experiment with different placements and styles to see what works best for you.